Hi, Captain Steve from BoatTEST.com, and today I am going to go over the latest version of the FX series of WaveRunners from Yamaha, and it starts with technology. Now, the model I'm on is the Cruiser HO, which has the 5-inch touchscreen. The SVHO has a 7-inch, so let's take a look at what we've got. It includes audio controls, GPS-ready mapping, enhanced drive control functions, and my favorite, phone and text notifications. Now, the audio controls not only let you control the music from your smartphone, but you can also answer calls, fast forward, select through your entire music library, and much more. GPS-ready mapping, there's a moving map right on the screen so you're not going to get lost. You can even have user waypoints installed and navigate back to those waypoints. Geofencing, so you can mark off an area that you don't want the unit to leave. More importantly, the geofence can create an audio warning telling the operator when they have ridden too far. You can add and follow GPS waypoints, record and follow tracks, leave breadcrumbs and follow back to a certain area. There's even new drive control functionality that allows the operator to set and save different trim modes for performance or comfort. You can set top speed limits and designate preferred acceleration curves. With smartphone connectivity, you can receive incoming phone calls and view incoming text messages. You can also use the voice assistant to make phone calls using the voice command button and integrated microphone conveniently positioned just below the steering column and to the left. As you can see, this is a feature-packed screen, and it doesn't matter whether you've got the 5 or the 7-inch, the functionality is the same. Now, all those audio controls we were just talking about ties right into the optional 4.5-inch factory-installed speakers. They're connected to a 2-channel amplifier, and look at how seamlessly they integrate into the unit. Now, since everybody ties their WaveRunner up by the handlebars, Yamaha finally added tie-down rings to the handlebars. Glove box, it's bigger. There's a dedicated spot for the cell phone, there's a USB connectivity and a 12-volt plug, plus LED lighting inside. Of course, we've got the ride technology for braking and reversing. I'm a big fan of the cruise and no-wake modes. The 1.8-liter high-output engine, that's been a staple for Yamaha for years. And notice the carry-out storage just behind. This is part of the 44.5-gallon storage total on this unit. The sponses have been moved up 50 millimeters for a more comfortable ride and less bow spray. And of course, all the way at the back, we've got the rec deck accessories, and there is so much to this that it's got its own video. Be sure to look for it. Basically, the FX series is the pinnacle of everything that Yamaha has. Performance, handling, comfort, all rolled into one. It's the top of the line for Yamaha. And that's my full features inspection of the FX series from Yamaha. For BoatTEST.com, I'm Captain Steve. We'll see you on the water.